everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is an extreme waterfall accordion. So I've shown different waterfall accordions over the years on the show. It's basically usually an angled trim. It can also be shaped, but you get this kind of waterfall effect as the panels go back and forth. This one is extreme. So the angle is really strong, and so I just thought you'd like this a lot. This is a concept from Nina. It's for an event promotion called the Next Summit, and you can see here they're tracing this waterfall all the way down with a thick black line. Back is solid, by the way. I like the top angle here too. They could have added a panel and squared it off, or made the last panel, with a rectangle edge, but I like that they kept the angle on that. So anyway, when this opens, you'll see here just how steep this angle is, and how alternating panels have full bleed imagery. There's event information, keynote speakers. It's clean and simple and contemporary, but I also like that the waterfall isn't kind of just a technique or a texture. It really is a part of the concept of the piece, and it's also really highlighted in this. I also like that they added this line right here, even though this isn't a little mini panel. I like that they completed this visual here, and yet you've still got this nice, short panel here. So these are nice. They're self-standing. They kind of create like a sculptural type of an effect as well. So they just can create a lot of impact. This is on Environment Natural White Smooth 80 cover, so it's got a real warmth to it as well. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Extreme waterfall accordion. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folding ideas, downloads, and templates. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.